Today we're going to have a look at Venn diagrams. We're going to do this in two chunks. The first chunk is going to be looking at how to decipher a Venn diagram that we've already got. The second chunk is going to be how to make a Venn diagram if we've got data. Now remembering, so all this stuff over here is just general on Venn diagram. Down here is our first example. So remembering with a Venn diagram is a way of visually representing the data about a group being, say, the class. The class is a group, 30 people in it. And then we can have a look at, usually, two different things that class might do. So we might look at the class and we might say those members of the class that are in, let's say, a basketball team, and those members of a class perhaps who like cricket. They're two groups. Now, we could have people that don't like either. We could have people that like cricket and not basketball. We could have people that like basketball and not cricket. Or we could have people that like both. So what we do in the first place is this square is our world view, you might say. So inside that box, inside that rectangle, we are going to have every member of the group. So if we're talking about 30 people being in the class, the numbers inside that square will add up to 30. Now, the example we used, I just used, were those people that like basketball and cricket. So I'm going to make a circle here, and I'm going to put basketball on top, and this other circle is going to have cricket on top. Now, inside the circle for basketball, I am going to put everybody that, or what will happen is that everybody who likes basketball is going to end up inside there. Now, everybody who likes cricket is going to end up inside this big circle. What we need is, obviously, there were people that like both. And so those people that like both are going to be in here. This region is inside both circles. That's where we put the number of people that like both basketball and cricket. Now, in here, this is still inside our circle for those who like basketball, but it's not included inside the circle for those people that like cricket. So this is B, but not C. Basketball, but not cricket. People that end up inside here is inside our cricket circle. So it is cricket, but it's not in our basketball. So it is those who like cricket, but not basketball. Finally, if you're in this spot, you're not in either circle, but you are still in the group. So this is our people that don't like cricket and don't like basketball. They're not B, they're not C lovers. Now, the numbers for all of these, when you add them up, has to equal that 30. The numbers inside the basketball circle are going to be those people, the total of the people that like basketball, which will include those that like basketball and not cricket, and also those that like both. Similar for the cricket. Okay, so down here is a question. It's asking us for a question. And let me go to green. So this question here is asking us, it's given us a Venn diagram. It's asking us various questions. Okay, so the first question A is asking us, so this is an example, I'll go for this. First question A is asking us, how many people are there in total? Now the total is everybody inside this rectangle. So I've got 15 plus 12, 27 plus 10, 37 plus 3 is 40. So this question A, how many people are represented in this Venn diagram? The answer is 40. Now, it's asked me how many people inside. I'll read the question first. It says, this Venn diagram shows a number of people who enjoy holidays at the beach and at the snow. So this circle is everybody who likes at the beach. This circle is everybody who likes at the snow. In here are our like both. And out here are those people that don't like either. So it's question B is asking me, how many people enjoy holidays only at the beach? That is these guys. They're inside the beach circle, but they don't like snow. It's 15. Next question is at the beach in total. So in total is a total inside that circle, inside this beach circle. 15 plus 12, 27. Both at the beach and at the snow is that sliver in there, which is 12. We pick up this was our both. 12. And neither at the beach or the snow. We're looking for the one which is out here in this rectangle, but not in either of the circles. It's free. So now it's asking me, C is asking me, how many people do not enjoy holidays at the beach? So those people that don't enjoy holidays at the beach are the people outside the beach circle. So now we're looking for these guys aren't inside the beach circle, the people that they like the snow, or the people that don't like either. So my answer is going to be 10 plus 3 is 13. How many people do not enjoy holidays at the snow? That is going to be everybody outside the snow circle, which is going to be my 15 plus my 3 is 18. Okay, so that's your answers. What you've got to do now is you've got to come across and, sorry, that's your examples and your theory. We're going to do this first chunk. So you're going to do these problems in the first chunk. And I guess what I'm going to do is just read them and scaffold them for you. So let's have a go with our purple pen. So this question is, this Venn diagram shows the number of people who enjoy riding and running. That's 2 R's, unfortunately. That's riding and running. That guy's running. I don't know if I can do a riding one. Okay, so in the first question, it's asking how many people in total are represented by this Venn diagram. Remember where you're getting that information. Rewind this one and go back if you need to. You want to pull out the total number of people who enjoy riding and, the total number of people who are represented by this diagram is your answer to A. Now B, it's asking us for how many people are enjoying. So 1 is riding only. Remember, riding is the left circle, riding only. Next one is here, riding in total. So it's the total number of people that enjoy riding. Our next question is running only. Where is the number for those people that like running only? And then our next question is running in total. Remembering the right-hand circle is our running one. Then we're after both running and riding. Where is that information on our diagram? And then neither riding nor running. Okay, and then our last question is riding or running. Think about what that means. Riding or running. What are you adding up? All right, now the last question is those people that don't enjoy things. So C, we're on to now. How many people do not enjoy riding? And then the next one, how many people do not enjoy running? All right, looking at the next question, question 2, is this one here. I will do that one. I might change colour so that it's clear we're doing a different question. We might go back to green. So this is my question 2, which comes down to here. Now what this is after is, I've talked about this in the theory video. We didn't explicitly do colours, etc. But what it's asking us to do is, in all of these questions, is you've just got to write down a number for your answer. So we're just going to write, I'll just put the letters here, you're just after a number. Now the first one, so this first question, the left one is mango, the right one is pineapple. It's asking you how many people in total like pineapple. How many people in total like pineapple? Pineapple is the right circle. B is how many people like pineapple only? Pineapple only. And they've actually coloured in the circle for you. Again, these are easy level questions. So you're looking for the shaded in part anyway. So how many people like pineapple only? The next one is you're just pulling out the information. It's shaded for you anyway. How many people like both pineapple and mango? Next one, again, it's the shaded. You're just adding them up. How many people like pineapple or mango? So that will give you an example of what numbers you're adding up if they're asking you that question, pineapple or mango. E, how many people don't like mango? So that's everybody outside of the mango circle. You need to add up those that are in a shaded region. And F is how many people like neither mango nor pineapple. So that's for people outside of that circle. All right, and again, our last question for free. Remembering this green bar here means that these questions are at a very easy level. What you want to do is when you finish this for homework, when you get home, or we've got enough time in class, go to the G2 section and do some of these, because these are harder. There's a lot of wording in this, so you will most likely need to get somebody to help. And it looks as if anyway that our questions here are mainly around chunk 2 rather than chunk 1. Chunk 1, I guess, is inherently pretty easy if we're just reading them. All right, it's the last one, it's question 3. Let's go, we just change colour pens again so it's clear. Question 3, we are looking at this one. And it's asking just to match up the diagram A, B, C, D with the descriptions. Now, this left circle is cat. Left circle is cat. Right circle is dog. So I've just put those letters there. You need to write which of these letters. So we've got A, B, C, D are our labels on those. So you're just going to write down the letter corresponding. So the first one is how many people own a cat. Second one is how many people own a cat only. Third, how many people own both a cat and a dog. And the last one is how many people own a cat or a dog or both.